Hello, you're here for one more lesson of this 4MCAD video training course, and the topic for today will be redrawing and regenerating a drawing. This is quite easy to explain you about because most of the functionalities I will describe in this lesson are very similar to other CAD software, so it should be not too complex and not too long. So we have these functions under this menu, view menu, and we can start to see this first function called redraw. And redraw basically will refresh the display. So sometimes you get residual elements graphically only in your drawing area, so you need to make this redraw and it will make a clean of your drawing. Then you have these regen and regen all. Basically it's a more deep redraw, because besides the refresh that graphically will be done to the drawing area, will regenerate mathematically the entities and will recalculate how to display the entities in your drawing area. Then in terms of graphical view, we can move around the drawing and make several things. One of the things that we can do to move around the drawing is activate, because in my particular case I don't have it on. We can come to this display functionality, which will open a couple of options. Then we can activate the scroll bars, and you see the scroll bars are here and allow us to move around the drawing up and down, okay? Up and down, left and right. So you can activate this or deactivate in display scroll bars. Then to change and to work graphically with the drawing, you have this kind of function. First, the pen will make, you can do it in real time, okay? So just grab and do it, or basically with your mouse, if you click in your middle button of the mouse or the wheel, you can keep it hold and you can move around. You can do, besides that, you can do the zooms, and the zooms, there are a lot of zooms. Some of them are more interesting than others, but at least there are a couple of them, like the real time. And if you move up and down your mouse, then you'll get this kind of zoom. You can do the zoom window. In the zoom window, pick one point. Sorry, it's still the other one. Again, the zoom window, then pick one point, pick another point, and it will display the window that you've choose. Okay, this is one of the most commonly used. Another interesting one is the previous, so it will come to your last zoom. You can do a zoom center that will say center of the zoom. Okay. The zoom center is not so interesting. And another one very interesting is zoom all, that will look for the entities you have in your drawing, and it will maximize them inside what is shown. But as you might understand, besides all of these things, the easiest way to make a zoom is with your wheel mouse. So if you move your wheel, you can do this kind of zoom, and then you hold it, you will make a pan, and this is the nicest and easiest way to work with a zoom. Okay. The last function for this group of functionalities, it is the rotation of the space. it's a 3D orbit. This is for sure to work with 3D parts, with 3D drawings, but I think it is important to talk about it at this moment. So again, view 3D orbit, you have a lot of possibilities, but we can use the free orbit, and then okay, you can inside this circle just click with your left mouse button, hold the button, and you can see this axis that will show you the position, how you are. So you are not working in top view anymore, so you have a free orbit in your drawing area, in your space. If you want to go back and put it again on a top view, it's quite easy. So just select this 3D viewpoint, top, and you are again in your 2D mode or top view. So I hope all these notions are clear, and again, any help, contact us through the usual channels.